Hi guys, and welcome to this session. This is probably one of the most important sessions you're going to find on this website, freemarketingtricks.com. If you don't already know how to set up your website, how to register your domain, get hosted, please watch some of our other videos. If you already know how to install WordPress, I'm sure you could find some more videos on our website that's going to help you. But let's get on to the jiffy of this video. It's time to learn how to install WordPress. Now let's review. What is WordPress? WordPress is probably one of the better softwares that are online right now. You can't find anything that's online that's better than WordPress right now and is free. I mean, I'll have an argument with anyone online nowadays to prove to me if there's a better software better than WordPress, and I'll explain to you why WordPress is one of my favorite softwares, why I recommend you installing WordPress on your server and start your online business through WordPress instead of finding outsourcers, spending endless money on outsourcing to people in other countries that take days and days of setting WordPress up. I mean, I've had clients that's been stuck on having outsourcers set up WordPress for them for months, and this thing is pretty simple. It's free, it's online, it's one of the best softwares you'll find online. You could basically run your full business on it. You should know how to install it if it's this simple to install. So let's go ahead and I'll show you WordPress. So first thing you need to know is how to install WordPress with 3 clicks. But before we do that, I'll show you how to get to the main WordPress website. It's called wordpress.org. You could find everything you need to know about WordPress. Of course, WordPress is a free website. But after you install WordPress, it might not look like the best looking website and you might not know what to do. We have videos that cover everything you need to know about WordPress, but in this video we're only gonna cover how to install WordPress with 3 clicks and how to install WordPress manually. Let me just show you a few examples of what you could create with WordPress after you get it uploaded, okay? This is just one example. It's a themed WordPress. It's beautiful. It's a store, you know. This is another example. It's like a landing page. It's very awesome. All those are things you could create with WordPress that are already just right there for you to use. Here's another website, a commerce website, which is very beautiful. Here's another one, magazine and news website. All of this is created with WordPress and it's very simple. It's just a skin. Here's another commerce website that's created by WordPress. Okay, now that you've seen all the awesome websites you could create with WordPress, you don't need to spend months and months and months on programmers, designers, outsourcing, management to set this up. If you're an internet marketer, you're on a budget, you could jump on this website, find all the videos you need to set up your website properly, learn them. We try to make them as easy as possible for you to navigate through and follow the instructions. Set up your own website and have your own business going in less than 3 clicks. Okay, so here we go. Let's install WordPress with 3 clicks. The first thing you need to know is your cPanel credentials. If you don't know what your cPanel credentials are or don't know how to find them, please watch some of our previous videos. We show how to set up an FTP account and a cPanel credentials with your hosting on some of our previous videos. So let's check this out. So go to your website.com/cpanel. It's going to take you to a window like that, and then you log in. After you log in, you'll be placed on the cPanel main page, which is going to look something like this. Scroll down or search Command F or Control F if you're on a PC. Just search for Fantastico and click on Fantastico. Fantastico is the awesome plugin that comes with the hosting that we recommended. This is the only way you're going to be able to install WordPress with 3 clicks if you have Fantastico. Look for WordPress in the site navigation underneath blogs. Click on that. Over here you'll see a new installation, what's required for a new installation, and how much space you need for a new installation. Let's just click new installation. Over here, everything you need to know over here is basically what directory you want your WordPress blog in. So I'm gonna go create a JV blog because I'm creating a JV page for my JVs. So I need to create this and call it JV blog. So my WordPress folder is gonna be mywebsite.com/JV blog. If I leave this blank, my WordPress is going to be installed in yourwebsite.com. If I put JV blog here, it's going to be installed in mywebsite.com/JV blog. Over here, admin credentials. This is pretty simple. I'll just call it admin and my password is 123. For the base configuration, basically all you need to put is a valid email address. All the other things you could change in your admin panel after the blog is installed. Let's go ahead and do your other click, install WordPress. This is just a review. It just shows you what domain WordPress is being installed on, the database that's created for you. None of this thing is important. It's not something you need to know if you install in WordPress in 3 clicks. Then it shows you where your blog would be installed over here. Let's hit finish installation. And here you have it. Your WordPress blog is already installed. You don't need to wait for months and months of installing WordPress. It's already done. If I go to my website/JV blog, here you have it. My website is already installed with a fresh WordPress installation already done with my backend. Now your backend URL is always yourwebsite.com/ the directory you installed WordPress in, and your login info is wp-admin. That will take you to the WordPress login screen. Let's enter the information I added for my admin info. And here you have it, guys. In 3 clicks, you already in WordPress. You have WordPress running. It was that simple. Next, we're gonna move on to installing WordPress manually.